Hello guys, as you can see, we are back with another video, and today we are going to talk about Equityedge rules. So guys, let's dive into the PC. I'm going to run through the rules, and then I will give you the link in description. I'll show you where you can find the rules, so you can go read through them, and everything you can go there and read for yourself and understand them better. And if you are failing to understand them, I will leave a link to my Telegram channel, so you can DM me on Instagram, or you can DM me on my Telegram. So I will leave all the links in my description. So I will not ignore your DMs. I will explain everything to you. And then the link to the Equityedge, where you can sign up, everything will be in my description that you will need. Everything is there. So let's dive into the PC, so I share with you everything that you need. And once you open your browser, you just type in Equityedge rules fact. Okay, and then once you search, you just click FAQs here, and then you'll find Crypto Edge here, and you have to choose Equityedge because this one is the one that we are focused on. And then they have a lot of rules here, as you can see: commission fees, free trial, one-step evaluation, restricted countries and everything, objectives, daily and minimum lot limit. But I will just go through some of them, but I will put the link in description for you to come read everything. Make sure you read everything, because in Profem industry, the only thing that is very important is the rules. Like for Equityedge, you need, before you start trading, read the rules first. Even before you buy the account, read the rules first, because there are some traders that trade full margin. You placing 50 trades in a minute. Like in Profem, we don't do that. We don't do that on Profem. Yeah, you just calculate your lot size, and then you place one trade, just one trade on. Yeah, I hope you understand there. Okay, let's go. I'm just going to run through some of them, but I'm not going to read them all. This one, on all the accounts, from the 2.5k account to the 100k account, you just your goal is on phase 1 is always a profit target of 8%, and your goal on phase 2 is to attain the profit target of 5%. And let me say, if you are having a 10k account, your profit target is $800, and on the phase on the second phase, 5% I think is $400 or $400 or $500. Okay, let's go to the next rule. And profit split. Okay, once you get a funded account, and you make some profits, let me say you have a 10k account, and then you make a profit of $1,000, the 80% profit is yours. But there's a scale-up plan whereby once you pass the account, you will be consistent. They can increase your profit target, profit share to 90% split. And then, but at the beginning, you get 80% profit split. Like if you have a profit of 1k, you get 80% of the account, which is $800. That is yours, and the 20% is for Equityedge, and that is for all the accounts, from the small one to the big one. And let me check which rule. Available account sizes. They have account from 2.5k to 100k. Okay, let's see what else you need to know from here. Payment methods. Qualified traders can be received through bank wire transfer. Yeah, once you get your profits, you can withdraw through your wire transfer, where you just give them your bank details, and then you receive your money straight to your bank. or you can choose cryptocurrency. Maybe you want to withdraw to your Binance account, Bybit, whatever crypto that you use, the money will just come straight to your crypto account, to your wallet. Okay, what else? Crypto trading over weekend. So so for Equityedge, well, here we don't trade crypto in the weekend. In the weekend it's our holiday time. Yeah, maybe you can go for Deriv that trades on in the weekends, and JustMarkets also, they have Bitcoin and silver and Ethereum in the weekend. The link is in description. You can sign up on JustMarkets if you like trading crypto in the weekend. Okay, let's go. Another rule, I think there's one important rule that I need here, but I cannot find it. This KYC verification. For KYC verification, you have to verify your account. Once you pass phase 1 and phase 2, when waiting for your funded account, you have to give them your national ID or your passport, and you must be 18 years old and above. So for underage, they can wait. This is Forex, you're still young. And once you your ID is verified, once you verify your KYC within 48 hours, you can receive your funded account, and then from there you can continue trading your account. Okay, I will leave the link in descriptions. There's a 2-minute rule, that's the one that says you must place a trade 2 minutes before the high impact news and close it after the 2-minute rule. I'm going to make a video explaining that rule. That one is very tough. That rule, you need to understand it better and better, because that one has been ruining my trades, breaching my trades, and breaching my accounts. Guys, I breached a lot of accounts. As you can see there, where are my accounts? As you can see here, I breached a lot of accounts here. The ones that I failed here, you see, I bought a lot of accounts, mostly 5k and 10k. It's just because of that 2-minute rule. I was placing like 5 trades within a minute, and trading during the high impact news. I was breaching my account, but just because I never checked the rules. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you.